I conquer. I conquer. Boy, no fine, I conquer. Say I shot, I conquer. Me, I'm rich, I conquer.
Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? My name is Sin, or you can call me Aiyanyi. I am the wig maker. Alright, so I saw this picture of Beyonce and I got inspired because, you know, she always got this dimensional hair. It's always like dark roots to a bronzy color to like a brownish blonde. So I wanted to try to recreate that. So this hair is from Eullair hair. I don't know if this is an AliExpress company, but they do have their own website as well. This is their Jerry curl hair, and I have lengths, I believe all 16 inches. I want to say all 16. If not, I'll leave all the information down below. Now, normally I wouldn't tell you guys to use 40 volume developer, but today we're going to use it because I only want to do one bleach section. I wasn't just in the mood for bleaching, but I really wanted to achieve this color. So I am going to make a mixture of 40 volume developer. I'm also going to make a mixture of 30 volume developer. So I did section this wig into 5 sections, and the first 2 sections I'm gonna apply the 40 volume developer all on the first 2 sections, basically the frontal, the hairline portion. I am gonna leave roots on it because I just feel like I like the transition better, and I want to have that gradient effect. So I am applying the 40 volume developer, and I am massaging it in the hair. I am not using a comb. I am just using my fingers because I do not want the hair, the curl pattern on this Jerry curl to really lax, to really get straight. So that's why I'm not using any combs or anything like that to disperse the bleach in. And I'm gonna just work it through with my fingers and just, you know, just make sure the bleach is really saturated in the hair. So when I normally bleach, I will start from the bottom to the top, but in this instance, I am bleaching from the top to the bottom because I want the top of the hair to be lighter than the bottom of the hair. So I want it to go into a gradient effect. So I want it to be like really brighter to medium bright to darker. And right now I'm just going to add the 30 volume developer to the rest of the pair and the remainder of the 40 volume on the ends of the hair. And I'm going to just make sure that it's blended well. So now I am going to rinse out the bleach that is in this wig. I am going to use the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo, generic version from Sally's. I love the shampoo because it's not too strong, but it's not too weak. So it won't have my hair looking gray, but it will tone it to a nice cool tone. But I want it to be in between cool and warm for this wig, and this shampoo will do the job for me because usually when I try Finello, I think that's what it's called, No Yellow shampoo, the purple shampoo, it'll have my hair gray. Or if I'll use the regular Shimmer Light, so it will definitely have my hair gray. So I like this one because it works a little bit slower, and I use it to, you know, tone my knots or to tone my actual blonde 613 hair to, like, you know, beigey blonde. Like, I love this shampoo. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to apply it. I am going to wash the hair with the purple shampoo, and then I am going to apply a generous amount of purple shampoo and just let it sit on the hair for about 30 minutes, so it could just tone. After it tones, I am going to use silicone mix, and I can't stress this enough. Silicone mix will have your hair hydrated when it comes to your extensions, and you need that hydration, especially if you have hair from AliExpress. And I say that because, like I said before, AliExpress has synthetic fibers in their hair, so you want to make sure that your hair is hydrated and has that silicone layer on it to make your hair, to keep your hair looking nice and, you know, hydrated. So silicone mix is your friend. I left mine on for about 30 minutes. So this is what the hair looks like on me, freshly applied. Let me know if, you know, I did that thing. I actually love the color. It does have a lot of dimension in it. And it's just not one tone, and that's what I wanted to go for. And so yeah, this did definitely remind me of Beyonce, and I did wanted to embody that. Let me know if I embody that, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye, best friends.